Good afternoon, guys. It's about 12 o'clock right now. I just got out of the shower, so I have my robe on. I'm about to get ready because I have a couple of things I need to do today. So the kids are taking a nap right now. So I said, let me take advantage and start getting the day started. So I'm going to do my foundation. I'm going to do my face real quick. I don't think I'm going to do my hair. I'm just going to leave it how it is. I did say I was going to do Vlogmas, and I actually missed I missed like 3 days. When this video goes up, I probably missed like 3 days. So I already primed my face. If you guys are wondering, I use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Love this thing. This is super affordable and it's like amazing. I was supposed to do Vlogmas, guys, and I am so mad at myself because I really wanted to do it this year, but I think that I said it too much and I was too excited and I actually just didn't really do it. So I am really upset with myself, but I was thinking I'm probably gonna do the 12 days of Christmas. I'll probably do that, and that's a little easier for me to do because vlogging and trying to create makeup looks and hauls, all that together in my video, it was just not going easy for me. So, but I am trying to do the 12 days of Christmas vlogs. I think that will be a little easier for me to do. So I'll probably do that. I'm trying to prepare myself now and be a little more organized just to get that going. Let me do my makeup and get ready. We're going to match like always. We're going to wear like our Christmas sweaters, and I'm going to make my husband wear his. So cross fingers that he will actually wear it with me and with the kids. I'm just so into that matchy and just, especially for Christmas, guys, it's like, why not match? So I'm hoping that he will wear his today, so we can vlog our little tradition of doing gingerbread house, and maybe we'll go to the store looking all matchy. But I know how guys are sometimes. They're like, no. So right now I'm using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer. This is what I use because I like my under eye to be super bright. And I also I haven't done a makeup tutorial in forever. Are you guys mad at me? Do you guys want me to start doing more makeup tutorials again? Because I haven't done that in a while. And I actually kind of do miss it a little bit. But if you guys do want me to do a makeup tutorials again, comment down below because I will start doing that more. Like, I don't know what you guys want from me. Like, if you guys like more vlogs, if you guys like hauls or more makeup, I don't know. Like, I'm trying to find a niche on my channel. I don't know where I'm trying to go. So if you guys are liking one thing more, just let me know in the comment below and I start doing that for you guys, because I'm just like spreading my wings. I'm just figuring out what I'm going to do in my channel. I haven't done makeup yet. I've been slowing down with the makeup, but let me know if that's what you want to see more, because that's where I started off in my beauty channel. I started off doing makeup. So let me know if that's what you guys want to see more, because I haven't done that. So I feel bad for the people that subscribe to me way back, and that's what you subscribe. You subscribe for me because you wanted to see more makeup, and I haven't been giving you that. Also doing it for my viewers, my friends that are watching me, and I want to connect with you guys. But I just did the concealer. It looks kind of pale right now because my color is still coming in from the summer. So, but I love, this is kind of dirty right now, but I love using the Fenty Beauty, and this is Pro Filter. I don't know if you guys used this before, but it's like a foundation / powder, and I got this in 300. I love this baby because I just placed this with my foundation and just give me a little more coverage. I mean, I don't need that much coverage, but this will actually warm up my skin So I definitely like putting this on after I put my foundation on. So I'm not giving you a full tutorial, guys, when I said I was just gonna speed this up for you guys. But I mean, why not talk to you guys on the camera? Merry Christmas. I need like a Santa Claus hat just so we can be in the Christmas spirit. You don't have to put this when you have your foundation. You can actually just put this by itself because this is like a foundation powder and it will cover up all your blemishes. You do not need foundation. But because my foundation, this foundation was a little light on me, I like to place this on top just to bring out my warmth, my skin tone back, because I looked too pale, and you know your girl is not that pale. I'm going to use my Fenty powder, and this is in butter, and I'm just going to set my concealer. Where's my little concealer brush? I've been doing my makeup in my bathroom because my makeup room, it's been super cold, and I just rather do it here, because if I'm doing like a simple look, I'd rather do it in the bathroom. And then if I'm going all out with like eyeshadow and like full on like makeup glam, I like doing it on my beauty room. I've been enjoying doing my quick makeup look in the bathroom. For me, it's easy because the kids are sleeping and I'm just here. So if my daughter is crying, I can like listen to her and she knows that I'm here. So I love doing my makeup now in the bathroom. It just feels more calm. It just feels super relaxed. Actually, I've been realizing I've been using all Fenty products. If you guys don't know what Fenty is, it's from Rihanna, the collection of Rihanna. And I've been like showing you all of the product from Fenty, and I'm like in love with it. So I'm going to be using this one, the Fenty Beauty, and this is Bajan Gal color, and I'm just going to contour my face to bring up that little warmth of color, because we can be looking like, bring a little definition in my cheekbones. But look, already it's like waking me up. It's like matching a little more of my color, my skin. I use this from BH Cosmetic, and this is Weekend Vibes. I'm like into the orangey tones lately. I've been using this type of color blush on my skin, on my cheeks. I just love it. Look how it just brightened me up. It just makes me look a little more youthful and younger. It just makes it look so good. Love the orange color. I've been like caking it up with the blush, but I love blush, so you can't never get enough. And I also put it on my nose. It looks like, you know how that winter weather, when it's cold outside, you have your nose super red like reindeer. Love that look for the winter. I don't know if you guys do, but I do that. So it looks like, oh, what's going on with your nose? And you're so cold. And I'm like, no, baby, that's just blush. To be honest with you, I don't even put no eyeshadow on my eyes when I'm like in a rush, or if I'm like an everyday makeup. All I do is either I put lashes on my eyes, and you guys seen the lashes that I put, like the ones individuals that I like, it's lasts for like 2 weeks. I usually do that, but I've been like trying to let my real lashes like breathe, so I haven't put none in it. And I've been also playing around with the magnet lashes, which I'm going to actually put on today so I can show you guys. I actually have a video. I don't know if I posted it now, or this video will go up first, or that video will go up first. But I have the magnet Glammatic lashes that I've been using. Baby, those lashes are so perfect for those people that don't know how to either put on lashes, or you guys are in a rush and you don't have time to be like playing around with glue, because you know those glue, it takes forever to dry. And the Glammatic lashes are a magnet, and all you do is put the liner on and stick the lashes in, and you're good to go. I'm gonna put them on so you guys can see how it looks and how easy it is. And I also got a, if you guys don't know, I also got a 50% coupon code if you guys want to check them out. I'm going to link everything down below so you guys can check the lashes out. So these are the lashes right here. I'm going to be using this one right now, and this is Love. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with this lashes, and it comes with the Magnetic also liner. Super easy to do. You just put it on your eyes and you place this. Let me show you how beautiful these lashes are. I just cut them. You can actually cut the little magnet so it can fit your eyes. But these are so cute. They have so many different kind of lashes in that website. They also got nails. I haven't done my nails. I be doing my nails, gel nails at home. And sometimes, honey, like I don't got time to be like taking them off. It's just so much work. So it be looking kind of messy and scruffy, which is embarrassing. But they also got nails, and these nails are from there. And look how beautiful. They look so natural, so pretty. And I just love it. And I actually had these for a whole week, and they're still on. And you know me, I'm a mom. I do a lot of work with my hands, and they still on. Look how beautiful they look. And I just love it. Now I'm obsessed, just in love with it. I usually like doing a wing liner, but you don't have to. But make sure when you do this, it's like thick so the magnet can grab with the liner. But it's just so perfect. Like I'm obsessed with it. Let me use this mirror. You see, it just grab it so fast. But look how beautiful it looks. Like it already gave my makeup a big look. And it's so gorgeous. And you see how easy I placed that? Like I did it so quick, and you didn't have to wait for no glue. And I did both of my liner at the same time, which I could have just put it on and then did the liner. So cute. Like I'm obsessed with these lashes. Like look, it just gave it a beautiful look, and it was so easy to put on. I am definitely loving this so much. I'm obsessed. So like I said, guys, if you are looking for lashes and you're trying to do it fast and easy and just give you that beautiful glam effect, they got actually natural than this too. It's not just this one. If your guys are looking for something easy and simple to do and not trying to be waiting for that glue to dry up and putting the lashes on, these are it. But they are just stunning. You know, also what I've been like doing is I've been putting a little bit of my concealer on my lips and just put it in the middle just to keep it a little more paler. Pale? Is that a word? Paler? Pale. Pale. My English sucks, guys. I'm sorry for that. But anyways, I've been like putting this on my lip a little bit. Actually, I've been just using my finger and just place it in the middle. And it just gives it a soft. Watch. I know right now I just look crazy. Like, girlfriend, what are you doing? Eating powdered donuts? No. We're gonna fix it. It's giving like an ombre effect, and you don't need no lipstick. You don't need to be spending your money on lipstick when you can just use your concealer. And then I use this again, and then I just darken it up. And bada boom, bada bam. And that's the look for today. I'm gonna spray my face. All right, that's just the look for today.